Hi. I hope you are well. We are at your service, dear viewers, with another video about the scientific miracle of the Quran. The numerical miracle of the Quran. The numerical miracle of the Quran is a theory that expresses the miraculous numerical order of the Quran. According to this theory, the number of letters and words of the Quran has a very precise order. And since no author can consider such an order in writing the book, this order is a sign of its miracle. This theory, which was first proposed by Rashid Khalifa, an Egyptian Quran scholar, has many opponents. Critics have found most of the statistics presented to be inaccurate and many violations. Introduction of the theory. According to the numerical miracle theory of the Quran, the number of letters and words of the Quran has a very precise order, and since no author can consider such an order in writing the book, this order is a sign of its miracle. This theory considers the number 19 as the key to the miracle of the Quran. According to this theory, Bismillah has 19 letters, and the total number of repetitions of its words in the Quran is a multiple of the number 19. Bismillah 19, Allah 2698, Rahman 57, and Rahim are used 114 times in the Quran, all of which are multiples of the number 19. Also, the number of letters in all the surahs of the Quran is a multiple of 19. History of the theory and its theorists. According to some researchers, for the first time, in the book Al-Etqan, written by Jalal al-Din Suyuti, 849-911 AH1 of the Sunni scholars, the numerical miracle of the Quran is mentioned, but this theory was specifically proposed by Rashid Khalifa, an Egyptian Quran scholar. During 3 years, he did research on the Quran using a computer, and in 1972, he presented the results in the media. In 1983, his book called Miracle of the Quran al-Karim was published in Beirut and America. Rashid Khalifa even claimed that he obtained the date of the resurrection from the numerical calculations of the Quran. After Rashid Khalifa, Abd al-Razak Nofal, another Egyptian Quran scholar, continued his way and presented other cases of numerical miracles of the Quran, among them opposite words, such as life and death, and the world and the hereafter, are used in equal numbers in the Quran. After him, Abul Zahra al-Najdi, a Shiite Quran scholar, found that in the Quran, the word hour is used as the number of hours of the day and night. That is, 24 times. He also said that the word Shia has been used 12 times by the number of Shia Imams. It is said that today the theory of numerical miracles of the Quran is the focus of many Quran scholars. Examples of numerical miracles of the Quran. Some of the statistics provided by the supporters of this theory are as follows. In the Quran, the broken letters of each chapter are repeated more than the other letters. The broken letters of each surah are repeated more in that surah than in other surahs. The number of broken letters in all surahs with broken letters is a multiple of 19. The two words world and hereafter are equally used in the Quran. The word hayat, life, along with its derivatives, is used as much as the word mut, death. The word hour has been used 24 times for the number of hours in a day and night. The word city month has been used 12 times for the number of months of the year. The phrase al-samwat al-sabah, the 7 heavens, is used 7 times. The word prostration is used 34 times in the Quran, which is equal to the number of prostrations in obligatory prayers. Reviews. The theory of numerical miracles of the Quran has faced many objections. Critics of this theory believe that God did not reveal the Quran as a mystery and beyond people's understanding. This book is for guiding people, and these words have nothing to do with guidance. Also, the difference in recitations of the Holy Quran and the non-restriction of the order of the surahs are among the problems that make it impossible to have accurate statistics of the number of letters and words of the Quran. In addition, critics have found most of the statistics presented by the defenders of this theory to be incorrect and have found many violations for them. Some of them are the number of broken letters in Surah Yas, that is, the two letters Ya and Sin, have the least repetition in this surah, while according to this theory, the number of letters in each surah is more than its other letters. The number of repetitions of the letter Q, the broken letter of Surah Q in Surahs Shams, Qiyamah, and Falaq is more than its number in Surah Q. This claim that the number of usages of all the words Bismillah, Rahman, Rahim are multiples of the number 19 applies only to the word Al-Rahman. The number of letters in Surah Nas is not a multiple of 19. The number of cut letters in Surah Kalam and Taha is not a multiple of 19.